Hello and welcome to English 911. My name is Skyla. This last week, I've been reading all of your lovely letters asking different questions about English, about grammar, about word usage and word choice. And now today I'm ready to answer those questions. Our first question of the day is from Kostya. Okay, Kostya's question is, what is the difference between prosecute and persecute? So here, let's just write this up. We have prosecute, like done by a professional. And we have persecute. Persecute. Oh, there's the U. Okay, so prosecute is when you take someone to court. You have the professional lawyers, you're taking them to court, and possibly you are getting prosecuted for a crime or something. And the noun for this is prosecution. Now to persecute is to harass or to follow somebody in order to give them injury. So this is to pursue someone and harass. Let's go with pursue. They want to do harm to someone, and the noun for this is persecution. So we have prosecute and persecute, to pursue and to go to court by pros, by professionals. Okay, now our second question of the day is from Anya. Now Anya's question is one that really interests me. She wants to know, she said, is next Monday tomorrow or is it 1 week later? Now Anya, this is one question that lately I've been having a lot of trouble with. All of my life I've thought that next Monday, so here let's go next, okay? I've thought that next Monday or next Thursday was the nearest one to me. But then I went and I researched for your question, and next can be fairly ambiguous. It means we don't really know for sure if the date is very close. So for example, here is us, okay? And here is Monday, and here is like December, 6 months ahead. If we say next December, everyone understands we're talking about this December. However, if I talk about next Monday, some people think we're talking about this Monday. Other people think we are talking about the Monday after it. It's the same when we talk about preceding dates. If we talk about last Monday, are we talking about yesterday or are we talking about the Monday before that? So my advice to you about the words next and the word last is be careful when you are using them about very close dates. For example, within the same week or within the same month. If we're talking about next June, if you mean the next month, you can just say in June, because this is one English speakers cannot agree on. We all get confused if you mean next week or next month, like this, okay? So when you're using for far away, go for it. Use next, use last. And when you're talking about very close to where you are, your time period, your place in history, try to choose a different word, anything else, because then there will be less confusion. Okay, I hope that you have good experiences using next and last, and that everything will be understandable for those that you are talking with. Now on to our third question of the day, which is from Lena. So, Lena, your question was very interesting. What order should we put adjectives in, right? So first, anyone remember what an adjective is? An adjective is something that modifies a noun. For example, here we have a car or something, right? We'd have a fast car, a red car, a little car, big car. Those are all adjectives, okay? For our noun. But what order do we put it in? If it is a big red fast car, how do we know which order that we put these adjectives in? Well, I went and researched for this for you, Lena, and here is how it goes. First, you have what you call a determiner, which is basically an article. That's not very understandable, but here we go. A. For example, a car, a something, right? This is called a determiner. Then you have the opinion about it. For example, is it pretty? Is it smart? Is it cheap? The opinion. For example, here we will use pretty. So a pretty something. We don't know what yet. Then you need to have size. Is it big? Is it small? Is it thin? Is it tall? Size. What size is it? So here's size. And here we will use fat. Fat. So a pretty fat something. And next, what you use is shape. So here, like the shape. Is it a square? Is it a circle? Is it tall, short, etc., etc., okay? So here we can use large. Oh no, that's size again. So what we need is shape. Let's go with square, okay? Square. So the shape, a pretty fat square. And next we have age. We want to know how old this thing is. Age. So here we'll put old, right? Because we have old, young, middle-aged, whatever age it is. After age, you have color. So color. And everyone knows colors, right? Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, any color. And for today, we will use yellow. Although from the color of my pen, we should be using red. Okay, and our next one is origin. Where is this from? Is it American? Is it British? Is it Polish? Is it Australian? So today we will use American. We have origin. Let's make this O better looking. Origin. Okay, we'll put a period. I can't write the whole word out here. American. Right here, American. And then we have material. Is it made from cotton or silk? So here's a whole lot of adjectives we can put in front of something, right? Here we have material, and we'll put cotton. And last, we have what is called a purpose or a qualifier. For example, well, let's put our noun up here. We'll use bag. Okay? And for example, bag, a purpose or a qualifier for this could be like shopping bag. It is a bag for shopping. And for this, let's use a sleeping bag. Okay? It is a bag for sleeping when you go camping. So now we go determiner, opinion, size, shape, age, color, origin, material, and then purpose or qualifier. We have a pretty fat, square, old, yellow, American, cotton sleeping bag. So hopefully that's all understandable for you. And next time when you're thinking, what order do I need to put these in? Just remember all of our lovely order, determiner, opinion, size, all of that, okay? And it will be very easy for you. So I hope you have a wonderful English studying day and that this whole next week goes wonderful for you. I wish you success as you continue your studying and see you next time. Bye! Thank you.